Hey everyone. Keeping your PC updated can be a pain, clicking through multiple apps, waiting for updates, and even missing important security patches. But what if I told you that you could update all your software with just one simple command? In this video, I'll show you an effortless way to update everything on your PC using command prompt, no third-party tools, no hassle. Let's jump right in. First, we need to open the command prompt with administrator privileges. Here's how. Press Windows +S and type cmd. And select Run as administrator. Running cmd as an admin ensures that it has the necessary permissions to update all your software. Windows now includes a powerful built-in package manager called Winit that can install, update, and manage software easily. To check if Winit is installed, type this command Winit and hit enter. If you see a list of options, you're good to go. If not, make sure your Windows is updated to the latest version. Now, to update all software on your PC in one step, type this command Winit upgrade all and press enter. This command will scan your installed apps, check for updates, and install them all automatically, no manual downloads, no searching for updates. Now, sit back and watch as your PC takes care of everything on its own. CMD will start updating all outdated software automatically, browsers like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, system utilities and productivity tools, even some third-party apps. It's that easy. No need to manually open each app and update it one by one. Want to make sure your PC stays updated without lifting a finger? You can schedule this command to run automatically. To do it, press Windows +S and search for Task Scheduler. Click Create Basic Task and name it Auto Update Software. And select a schedule, daily, weekly. In the Action section, choose Start a Program and enter Winit Upgrade All as the command and then save and run. Now, your PC will stay updated without you ever having to think about it. And that's it. Now you know how to update all your software with just one simple command. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe.